Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's English class. Did you read the story The Magic Garden? Do you understood the meaning? Okay. And we learn about the magic garden. Okay. And all of you take your textbook. Open page number 5. Okay. So the magic garden is placed on a school playground. We know that. So the magic garden is placed on a school playground, and the magic garden has many flowers like sunflowers, roses, marigold, poppies and pansies. And the sunflowers and roses stood against the wall. And the flowers said that we have the hundreds of little gardeners. Who are the hundreds of little gardeners? Yes, the children from the school. And one day the poppy flower said that he loved the little children because the children waters the plants. Isn't it? Waters the plants and they love the little children. The flowers love the little children. These are the meanings of the first paragraphs. First paragraph, first and second paragraph in page number 4. Clear? And today we learn about the next paragraphs in page number 5. All of you look at your textbook. Put your fingers on the words while I am reading. Okay, clear? We love the little children, said a tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Suddenly, the children came out, laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. Okay, so we love the little children. Okay, then in the previous class we studied about the poppy said that, the poppy flower said that he loved the little children because the children watering, they bring their watering cans and water my thirsty root. The poppy flower said, isn't it? And the next one is the tiny bird. What is the tiny bird? Tiny, what's the meaning of tiny? It's a small. Okay, small bird. Okay, the small bird, the tiny bird said that he loved the little children. Why? Because the children are kind and they bring bread for us. So the children came in the garden. But at that time, the children bring the water cans and they have the snack box with us, isn't it? We know that the snack box or lunch box. Okay, and the children came to the garden. Some children are watering the plants, roots, and they gave the birds bread. Okay, the bread to eat. So the tiny bird said, He loved the children very much because they bring breads for us. The tiny bird said that. All the flowers said. What are all the flowers? The sunflowers, marigold, poppies, pansies and roses. Those are the flowers. So the flowers said that we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty. Why they said like that? Because the children came to the garden. The flowers looks very beautiful. Okay. So children like them. Children want to like them. So the flowers said that we must work hard to make our dresses. Which is the dresses for the flowers? As their petals. Okay. And their leaves. Okay. These are the dresses. So to work hard to make our dress very pretty. What is pretty? What is the meaning of pretty? Yes, beautiful. So we must work hard to make our dresses very beautiful because the children will be here soon. Okay. So the children will be coming in very soon. So we have to work hard to make our dresses beautiful. The flowers said that. Clear? At that time, the sun said that I will help you also to make your dress very beautiful. I will help. The sun said that I will help you to make your dress very beautiful. For nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Okay. So സൂര്യൻ പറഞ്ഞു എന്ത്? ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ സഹായിക്കാം. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ സഹായിക്കാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് സൂര്യൻ? the nothing pleases. പിന്നെ വേറെ ഒന്നും എന്നെ സന്തോഷിപ്പിക്കില്ല. എന്ത് മാത്രമാണ് എന്നെ സന്തോഷിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്? കുട്ടികൾ ഗാർഡനിലേക്ക് ഓടി വരുമ്പോൾ സൂര്യൻ്റെ പ്രകാശത്തിൽ കുട്ടികൾ ഗാർഡനിലേക്ക് ഓടി വരുന്ന ആ കാഴ്ച, അതാണ് എനിക്ക് കൂടുതൽ മനോഹരമായി തോന്നുന്നത്. അതാണ് എനിക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഇഷ്ടം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം എന്ന് the sun said. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Suddenly, at that time, the children came out with laughing and singing. Then the flowers stopped their songs and listened to the children. They are waiting for the children. So the children came with very happy. So the children came in laughing and singing. So the flowers are very happy. The tiny bird is also happy. The sun is happy. So everyone in the garden is very happy. Okay. And look at the tall sunflower, said one child. So the children came to the garden. That time one child said that, look at the sunflower. The sunflower is very tall. So look at the sunflower. Sunflower lifted his head very proudly. That he heard. So children said that the one child, he came in the garden and he said, so look at the sunflower. It's very tall. This he heard. The sunflower lifted his head. തല ഉയർത്തി. വെരി പ്രൗഡ്ലി, അഭിമാനം കൊണ്ടല്ലേ. സൺഫ്ലവറിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ സൺഫ്ലവറിന് വളരെ സന്തോഷമായി. അപ്പോൾ he lifted its head. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. So the another child said that I love the marigold because their dress, it's a golden dress, looks very beautiful. It's marigold in its golden dress. It's very beautiful. This heard the marigold smiled very happily. Okay, so the one child said that I love the marigold because the marigold golden dress looks very beautiful. Okay, clear? All of you clear? So we love the little children, said a tiny bird. So tiny bird said that we love the little children because they are kind and they bring bread for us, bread to eat. Okay. And all the flowers said, what they said? We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty because the children will be here soon. And the sun said, I will help you to make your dress very beautifully because for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Suddenly, the children came to the garden with laughing and singing, and all the flowers stopped their songs and listened to the children. Clear? And that time, one child said that the sunflower is very tall. Okay, the sunflower is very tall. And sunflower lifted his head with very happy. Okay. And another child said that marigold, I love marigold because the golden dress. Because marigold in its golden dress is very beautiful. So marigold is smiled happily. This is the meaning of these lines in page number 5. Okay. All of you read the lines in page number 5. Okay, page number 4 and 5. If you read page number 4 and 5 for the next class. Okay, clear. Okay, all of you clear that? Read page number 4 and 5 for the next class. Okay, all of you. Bye. See you for the next class.